In this video, we will cover how instructors create a Turnitin assignment in Sakai. To create a Turnitin assignment in Sakai, navigate to your course and click on Assignments. You will get a list of assignments created for your class. Click on the Add tab. Give the assignment a title, an open date, a due date, and an accept until date. It is important to note that Turnitin only reads the due date for the assignment, not the accept until date. Next, from the drop-down menu, choose Inline, Attachments Only, both Inline and Attachments, or Single File Upload for this assignment. You can choose to allow resubmissions if you like. If you do, both reports will show up in Feedback Studio. You will need to check the date for the paper to see which is the latest submission. You can limit the number of submissions a student can make and the latest you will accept a submission. Remember though, the only date Turnitin takes is the due date. Next, choose a grade scale from the drop-down menu. If you choose points for the grade scale, be sure to enter the point value here. Next, enter the assignment instructions. You can choose to enter an honor pledge, add an announcement about the open date to announcements, or hide the due date from the students. Next, choose to use Turnitin Plagiarism Service. You can allow the students to see their originality report and your feedback. This tells you what files are accepted. You can choose to submit the papers to the standard repository or not. If this is a first draft and the students will be submitting the final paper in another assignment, you may want to choose not to store the draft and instead choose to submit the final paper to the repository. You can choose to generate the reports immediately or on the due date. To help students make revisions if you have allowed resubmissions, it is recommended to select immediately. You have exclusions options such as excluding bibliographic and quoted materials from the report. You may also choose to exclude small matches. However, small matches are calculated based on the number of words in the submitted paper, and as that may vary, you may not want to exclude small matches at the assignment level. You can do it instead within Feedback Studio. Next, you can choose to compare the submitted paper to the Turnitin paper repository, current and archived internet sources, and periodicals, journals, and publications. Then you can choose to add the assignment to the Sakai gradebook. You can choose to add additional assignment options if you like. These options lie within Sakai, however, not Turnitin. You can also choose to display the site to students so they can see the assignment. You can choose to send notifications for student submissions or released grades or not. You can also add attachments to the assignment. When you are done, click Post. If your assignment has been enabled for Turnitin, it will have a red ribbon symbol next to it in the assignment list.